Hey everybody, it's Kimosabi here. An update on the price action very quickly. We're getting that wick up to grab that liquidity that I was looking for. This is very bullish price action, even though you have a rejection here. We need those orders to get cleared. Likely going to come back down and offload those orders. So where are we looking? Let's start drawing some trend lines from our current support. And maybe draw that breakout that we had from this trend down and see about a potential there. They intersect right there at 61,300. And we'll take a trend-based fib extension of this leg down and project from that high. And that 1-to-1 fib extension gets you down to that 61,000. So all kind of confluence in that area for a potential trade setup. I would have that labeled as per Elliott wave to be an expanded flat up there, grabbing maximum liquidity. And then we'll do it again with matching this leg down into the expanded flat, coming back down. So it would be an ABC, like a running flat type of thing. Maybe if we're super bullish here, you could label that as a 1, 2, and up you go. If you want price action to be bullish, very bullish, then you don't want to see much lower. We could go down very low, of course, and just wick it all out. But showing strength in this area would be indicative of all-time highs coming. So this is the area I would look to add on a higher high, higher low, just like I mentioned in my last video. This is potentially what it could look like coming soon. Locally right there, we are still closing higher highs, higher lows. But you do have a sell setup right there on the wick, or maybe this whole candle. And you just do the 50% retrace, which gets you back to those previous highs. Maybe the 618 gets tagged, maybe half of this wick gets filled, something like that. And then you have some kind of move down. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down to that lower liquidity. Pay attention to that lower liquidity. Every time we move price up, we're going to grab those orders. Market maker needs to put them somewhere. So they're essentially digging upwards as price keeps going up. Very sharp rejections. Things should get very volatile. So have your invalidations, know where you stand, and pay attention to where the candles are closing. Now this is a 4-hour candle. We got 22 minutes left on that candle. Watch where this closes. The 1 hour, I think, did give you a lower low close ever so slightly. I could be mistaken on that. 15-minute gave it to you. But this is a nice rejection candle. Nice volume there. So maybe we get a few chops up in here before moving down. We hit the weekly order block. That was a bearish order block I had marked off from weeks ago from up there. If we start pushing up above that wick, we're likely going to try to attack that 70,000 high. So if you are trying to sell this short, keep your stop tight right up there and take some profits down here. Take some profits. Anytime you grab liquidity, take some profits and let the rest ride. Move your stop to break even. Long or short, doesn't really matter. Either direction you go, know your invalidation. So hope that was helpful. Just a quick update. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Grabbing those orders and bringing them back down. Maybe we grab some more orders, bring them back down, and then we should have some clear paths ahead. So have a good morning. Keep your stops tight.